Namaste to all. Today, July 22, 2021, we are again at Tilganga in Paspati. We are going to distribute food to poor and homeless people. The person who helped us is Tasi Doje, director of Siddhi Cabling. The person who donated was Furlamo Sherpa from New York on behalf of late from father Kami Sherpa donated $300. Chepel Choki from New York behalf of late father $300. Lasa Laughing from New York $100. Tenzing Chonji from New York 50. Dina from New York $10. Total amount was USA dollar 760, Nepali convert rupees 89,680. The amount spent in food 344 people, 68,880 rupees. Water 5,300. Fruits 5,000. Yogurt 45,000. Transportation 6,000. Total amount is 89,680. We heartily thankful Tasi Doje and the sponsor who donated